Let's talk about Le Creuset Zen Kettle with Whistle, 1.5 liters Volcanic. Capacity, 1.5 liters. Used on all types of hobs, including induction. Wide lid opening and double-side enamel coating for easy cleaning. Enamelled steel up to 190 degrees Celsius heat-resistant phenolic handles. 2 years warranty. After previously viewing some reviews on this kettle, I was a bit hesitant to buy it, but I am so pleased I ignored some of the negative remarks. If you use the kettle as directed in the instructions, empty it of unused water and fill it to the indicated level, then you will have no trouble whatsoever. The comments about the whistle not being loud enough, I can hear the kettle at the bottom of my garden. I would encourage people to buy this item and follow the instructions for use. You will be pleased you did. We definitely are. Thank you so much for an excellent product. The instructions say before first use remove labels. Yes, right. The label with the name of the company is one of those old labels that require a special product to remove. Attention to details, or not, tells a good deal about a company. This is an expensive kettle, and Le Creuset had spent a bit more of money putting an easy to remove label instead of the rubbish one they used. It is very annoying that, in such a busy Monday morning, I have now to spend good 15 minutes looking for the sticky stuff remover, using it and then cleaning everything. It is a beautiful and solid kettle. Don't be so cheap with labels, Le Creuset.